Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I hope the past 7 days have been really good to you, and yeah, I think my past week has been very good. I was at home most of the time and it was good. It was just good. Like nothing. Of course there's certain things that are weird because school. But no, it was very good. I've had a good week. Hi guys, welcome to another video. I've tried to shoot this 3 times now. So yeah, I hope the past 7 days have been awesome for you. I think mine overall have been very good. So yeah, what inspired this video? I'm currently on a journey of reapplying for friendships that I've had for a while now, because I just want to be sure that I know where I stand with people. Why am I saying that? For me, friendships are a tool. For me, friendships are like a two-way street. It has to be flowing from both sides. But if it's not, then so I'm on a journey. I'm still doing it now. I haven't like finished everyone. So I'm reapplying for friendships that I've had, and you know what, people are not even like, you're not forced to say yes to it. Like if you don't want to still be friends, that's okay. Like I don't mind if you feel like we've outgrown each other, or I was a toxic person in your life, then like I understand. Just like you're allowed to say no. But I also am applying for shooting my shot for new friends. So yeah, I have 4 potential friends that are in mind right now. Okay, not 4 anymore, because I shot my shot with one of the 4. And what was so nice about that was like, oh, I thought we were already friends. And in my heart of hearts, I knew, like, I was like, we're friends, whether she likes it or not. But yeah, when she said, oh, I really thought, why is English like this? Yeah, I already thought that we were friends. I was like, lover, of course we are. I'm just confirming. I'm just making sure that my books are in line. So I have a friend, y'all. We don't live like close to each other, but I'm also learning how to connect with people and maintain connections, communicate better. So that's the journey that I'm on, and I'm really excited. Like guys, I love this girl. I love this girl, yo. I love this girl, and yeah. And then the 3 other people are like potential friends I've been like looking at. 2 of them don't even know that I exist, because we don't live in the same city. I really don't think they know I exist, but that's okay. That's fine. So like one of them is my best friend. He doesn't know it yet, but we are best friends. Not necessarily like best friends. No. We're friends. Like Sizin Benji Bonjos. So please, Antizuva next from anybody. And then yeah, the other 2, one I've been talking to for some time now. I don't know how this person feels about that's why I'm uneasy about shooting my shot with this person, but I like this person. I really like this person. They're really cool. I'd like to have a friend like that. I have friends like that, but like, I mean, I want to add to my collection of friends. Okay, so with this journey that I'm on, I decided, you know what, friendship shots should be a thing. Like they really should be a thing, especially like what happened with the friendship shot that I shot, and some of the reapplications that I sent out. I was like, I wonder if people do this. Like, do people really do this? And I think people do, but not necessarily how I did it. So I literally sent out an application form, like a whole message that was an application for friendship. I really think friendship shots should be a thing. So I decided to ask a few people whether they think friendship shots should be a thing or not. So continue watching if you would like to hear more on that. So you don't think shooting your shots should be a thing that people do?
No, like I feel like friendships should be something as mutual, like they should just happen, not bad.
But you mean?
Yes. If Banus means so, yes, then yes.
I think it's okay. I don't see anything wrong with anyone trying to shoot their shot for friendship.
Yeah, definitely they should.
I think that people should. Go for it. Go for the kill.
Sishe, would you shoot your shots for a friend? No. Why?
Because next thing you know now is a Bali caption. Now I walked up to you and asked for your friend, and then two of those dojo things must sit in that thing and like, oh, never. Like a primary says Bali letter, must write a letter to your best friend, and then you would say, dear Oyama, only to find out Oyama Balilos Pokas, and now you have this letter that's dedicated to Oyama, Balilos Pokas. So no. I think friendships just happen naturally.
Yeah, I shoot shots all the time. All the damn time.
No. Scary.
Name?
Scary. But I would try and approach. I wouldn't like directly say I would come to you about like to start small talks, small calling, and get one thing maybe to another if it happens.
Yeah, I would. I've actually done it. Yeah, I've done it a couple of times.
Maybe. If I'm feeling shy, then no. But if I want to be extra and like I'm feeling confident, then yeah, I would do it.
Awesome. Thank you so much for watching my video, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. But really, like, I want to know from you guys in the comments, do you think friendship shots should be a thing? And would you do it? Because I mean, I did it. I didn't think I'd ever do it, but I did it, and it's been going really good. So would you do it? Do you think it should be a thing that we just do? Because clearly these other shots that we're trying to shoot are just not working out. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, you guys. Have an awesome week and an amazing weekend, of course. I mean, hello. And I'll see you again next week for another video.